do you change Alexa's accent? Good morning, Alexa.
Good morning. This is a story all about how the Grammys got flipped turned upside down.
Alexa, stop! That's how she currently talks. So now my daddy's going to show you how to change it.
Okay, changing Alexa's voice is fairly easy. What you need to do is go to your settings in Alexa app, click on the relevant Echo or Echo Dot that you want to modify. So I'm going to click on Ars Echo. Okay, in general, simply scan down to language, click on here, and you will open up a box of a whole different languages. In American English at the top, Canadian English on there, English India. We tried clicking on English India to see if we could play around and maybe get it to do a different accent, but Amazon doesn't like you doing it outside of the region that you're in, so it recognises that we're not Indian and that we're in the United States. But anyway, I'll just try it on English United Kingdom. I think we should be okay on that one. So we click Save Changes. Yes, I'm sure. So, I'm going to go and let Isabella test it out downstairs.
My daddy changed Alexa's accent to be British. Here's an example. Alexa, good morning.
Good morning. Many of Britain's pop stars, rock stars and musical masterminds may well be waking up with
Stop!
this morning.
Alexa, stop! So, as you can see, it's very easy to change Alexa's accent, and you can even change it to German.
Okay, for a bit of fun, we're quickly going to go in and change that to German and see what Alexa gives us.
Hey guys, so we're back and my dad changed it to German, so let's hear what it has to say now. Alexa, good morning. Good morning, Alexa.
Alexa, guten Morgen.
Guten Morgen. Heute fällt das Bundesverwaltungsgericht sein Urteil zum Dieselfahrverbot. Entscheidet sich das Gericht,
Alexa, stop.
dürfen in Zukunft Länder...
Alexa, stop. Alexa, halt.
So don't switch it into Indian or German unless you speak Indian or German, because as we were saying good morning, it didn't understand my English because it's German.
And Daddy needed to cut in with a bit of the limited German that he knew.
For more Alexa skills, make sure to subscribe and click that like button, and make sure to ring the notifications bell, ring that bell so you never miss another one of our videos. Thanks, bye!
Please subscribe for new Alexa skills every day.